How to deep clean your toilet. You walk into your bathroom, and there it is, the toilet. It's not just a fixture, it's a breeding ground for bacteria, stains, and odors. But here's the kicker. Most people are cleaning it all wrong. What if I told you that one common mistake could be costing you more than just time? Stick around, and I'll show you how to deep clean your toilet the right way so you can stop wasting money and start enjoying a truly clean bathroom. We all use the toilet daily, but how often do we think about its cleanliness? Over time, mineral deposits, hard water stains, and bacteria can accumulate, making your toilet not just unsightly, but also unhygienic. Ignoring these issues can lead to persistent odors and even plumbing problems. But don't worry, with the right approach, you can restore your toilet to its pristine condition. First, gather your cleaning supplies. Before you begin, make sure you have the following: toilet brush, rubber gloves, microfiber cloth, or disposable wipes, toilet bowl cleaner, preferably with bleach or a disinfectant, all-purpose cleaner for the exterior. Having the right tools ensures an effective and efficient cleaning process. Second, apply toilet bowl cleaner. Lift the toilet seat and apply the cleaner generously under the rim and around the bowl. Let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes to break down stains and kill germs. This waiting period is crucial as it allows the cleaner to penetrate and loosen tough grime. Third, scrub the bowl. Using your toilet brush, scrub the entire bowl, paying special attention to the rim and waterline where stains often accumulate. For stubborn stains, a pumice stone can be gently used to avoid scratching the porcelain. Remember to clean under the rim thoroughly. Fourth, clean the exterior. Spray an all-purpose cleaner on the exterior surfaces, including the tank, handle, and base. Wipe down these areas with a microfiber cloth or disposable wipes. Don't forget high-touch areas like the flush handle, which can harbor germs. And finally, rinse and dry. Flush the toilet. To rinse away the cleaning solution, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe down all surfaces, ensuring no moisture is left behind, which can attract dirt. Deep cleaning your toilet isn't just about aesthetics. It's about hygiene and longevity. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of harmful bacteria and mineral deposits that can lead to plumbing issues. By maintaining a clean toilet, you're not only ensuring a pleasant bathroom experience, but also protecting your home's plumbing system. I put together a 100% free top 10 cleaning products guide and an emergency speed cleaning checklist, so you'll always have the best tools and techniques ready when life gets messy. From quick guest prep to post-kid chaos, this is the list every busy woman needs. Grab yours right now by clicking the link in the description below. Bonus, you'll get instant access to our free women's community made for women, where we share support, routines, and real-life solutions that actually work. Cleaning your toilet may not be the most glamorous task, but it's essential for maintaining a healthy and pleasant bathroom environment. By following these steps, you can ensure your toilet remains spotless and hygienic. Remember, a clean toilet is a reflection of a well-maintained home. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop with real-world cleaning tips that keep your home running like clockwork. Share this with someone who's been wondering how to deep clean their toilet, and let me know in the comments, when was the last time you gave your toilet a deep clean?